Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a 7 rings inspired tutorial. This is a collab with some of my favorite people in the entire world. Y'all need to check out their work. It is amazing. I can't even describe how amazing they are. Please go show them all the love in the world, and so I will put all their usernames up here. So do. If I can do that, I don't know. But these wonderful ladies, and we were all pretty moved, I would say, by the 7 rings video. We were all talking in our group chat and just were stunned by her beauty and her mind. She's just so powerful. So today I'm gonna recreate this look right here that I did a little while back. I'll place another picture up here so you can get a better view. We are going to start the eye look. So I'm gonna take the huge, the huge P. Louise base, and I'm just gonna pat that on. It feels so nice to use this again because in my last video I used a horrible concealer as an eye base, and I'm just so glad that I don't have to deal with that again, because I seriously wanted to cry. I really did. Baby boy, I wanted to cry. If y'all know who talks like that, baby boy. If y'all know who that is, comment down below, because she is hilarious. Okay, and we're going to be doing something very different. I honestly could have used concealer, but I really wanted to use my P. Louise base because I missed it. We're going to set our eyelids. I know, crazy, because I swear by never setting my eyelids, but we are not using shadow. So I don't want my base or my concealer or whatever you're using, I don't want it to crease. So we're gonna set it. I'm using the Huda Beauty powder, and I'm just putting that right over the base. This feels so weird. I can't remember the last time I set my eyes. Okay, I actually did decide I want to run like a really light peach through my crease. So I'm going to take the Dose of Colors I Love Sarai Loungy right here, and take a big fluffy brush and just run that right through my crease. Actually, I'm going to use the P. Louise Basic base. It's one of the pastels, and it is called Winter Rose. And I'm going to do the liner with this, and then I'm going to set it with shadow. Just picking some of that up on the really detailed liner brush. I kind of want to make this color hot pink. I'm going to mix it with the Rude Boy Red because it just needs to be more intense. You can always clean this up with concealer if it gets a little janky. Don't let line work frighten you. I promise the more you stress and get scared about it, the harder it's gonna be, because I used to freak out when I had to do liner like this or anything. Just take a deep breath and try to steady your hand. I'm going to take the James Charles Morphe palette and take the shade Skip right here, and I'm gonna set the bottom part of the liner. Oh yes, that is so pretty. Okay, So now that the liner work is done, we're going to start doing the fun part. Also a very annoying part if you don't have patience. We are going to start applying the beautiful crystals. These are like a pink reflex, like purpley blue. Okay, and to apply the gems, we're going to be using lash glue. I use the House of Lashes lash glue with a pair of tweezers, and I suggest dipping a tiny bit of House of Lashes glue onto the tip, this part right here, onto your tweezers, and letting it get a little tacky, not too tacky though, and then picking up the crystal on your tweezers and placing it onto an already tacky spot on your liner. Okay, so now that we have all the gems on, we're going to place on some lashes and do the other eye off camera, and then we will be right back. Alright guys, now both eyes are done and we are ready to move on to the face. I'm going to take the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer because one of the people who watched my dupe review video told me to use a sponge and pounce it in instead of using my fingers. So I'm going to see if that works. Hopefully it does, because I don't want to waste my money. So for my under eye powder, I really like to use this Huda Beauty brush. It pairs so well with their powder, I can't even describe it. So, okay, so we're gonna take the Huda Beauty powder in Pound Cake because this is like a really nice highlighting shade for me. We're gonna take the more dense side and the angled side and go ahead and we're gonna look upwards and pack that on. And no, we're not baking, but you're just gonna go ahead and press that into the skin. This creates a flawless finish. Like, I can't describe how much I love this powder. Take this side of the brush and go ahead and swirl that around. That helps mask your pores. Not like mask like as in like cake on foundation, but it kind of like eliminates the sight of them. Which I'm actually going to be drawing the 7 Rings logo cover right here. And I'm going to speed through the process, but I am going to show you guys. Okay, and so the writing is all done. I'm going to go ahead and create some of the drip marks, and I'm just doing that by diluting the water activated face paint with a setting spray so it's a little bit thinner, and then just patting over it. Next, we're going to be doing blush as contour. I am going to use the Anastasia blush kit, and I'm kind of going to mix all 3 of these shades together right here. And then to add and make it really, really bright, we're going to take the Skip Shadow from the James Charles palette and put that over it, which is like a neon pink. And for lips, I'm going to use Kylie Cosmetics Coco K liquid lip, and then the Fenty Beauty Fussy Gloss on top. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know what you guys think of the 7 rings video. Did you guys like it? Did you think Ari made a bop? Because she always makes bops. Or did you think it was not so good? Please, if you recreate this look, tag me and hashtag Chloeqmakeup on Instagram or Twitter. I would love, love, love to share your recreations. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Bye!